How to get your token in Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open discord.com on your browser. Click on three dots at the top right. Then scroll down to more tools. Click on developer tools. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on two arrows like option beside network. Then click on application. In application, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on filter at the top. After you click on filter at the top, simply search token and then press on token and press on enter. And you're good to go. This is how to get your token in Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.